Good afternoon, students. Students, in the last class, we completed up to L part of question 1, exercise 4B. Today, we will go through the remaining parts of this question 1. So, next part, M. M is 3 upon 4 whole cube multiplied 2 upon 3 whole square. See this part. 3 upon 4 cube multiply 2 upon 3 whole square. In this case, neither exponents are same nor bases are same. Here base is 3 upon 4 and here it is 2 upon 3. So, we cannot add the powers. What we will do? First we will write the value of 3 upon 4 cube. 3 upon 4 cube means we will multiply this 3 upon 4 3 times. 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4. It will be 27 upon 64. Then multiply 2 upon 3 square means we will multiply this 2 upon 3 2 times. 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3, it will be 4 upon 9. Now simplify it. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. 2 remainder 24, 4 6 are 24. So it is 3 upon 16 multiply 1 upon 1. Now we will multiply numerator 3 1 ja 3 upon 16 1 ja 16. So it is the answer. Next part, N. 6 upon 10 whole cube multiply 5 upon 9 square. Same as we did this one. 6 upon 10 whole cube multiply 5 upon 9 whole cube. Again, neither powers are same nor bases are same. So first we will write the value of 6 upon 10 whole cube. Means we will multiply this 6 upon 10 3 times. 6 upon 10 multiply 6 upon 10 multiply 6 upon 10. We will get 216 upon 1000. Then multiply 5 upon 9 whole square means we will multiply 5 upon 9 2 times. 5 upon 9 multiply 5 upon 9. It will be 25 upon 81. So now we will simplify. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 2 ja 10, 0 0. Again 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 0. Then 9 9 ja 81, 9 2 ja 18. 3 remainder here 36, 9 4 ja 36. Then again 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24. Now this 8 upon 40 multiply 1 upon 3. So again 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. 1 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 3. It is equal 1 upon 15. Next part. O part. 9 multiply 15 upon 45 whole cube multiply 5 upon 9 power minus 2. So 9 multiply 15 upon 45 whole cube multiply 5 upon 9 power minus 2. It will be written 9 multiply 15 upon 45 whole cube multiply. Here power is negative. So we will change. We will convert into positive power. So we will write reciprocal of this 5 upon 9. It will become 9 upon 5 whole square. We will simplify this 15 upon 45 as we can. 15 1 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. So 9 multiply 1 upon 3 whole cube multiply 9 upon 5 whole square means 81 upon 25. Then 9 multiply 1 upon 3 whole cube means we will multiply this 1 upon 3 3 times. So 1 upon 27 multiply 81 upon 25. 27 1 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. Now 9 multiply 1 upon 1 multiply 3 upon 25. Now 9 3 ja 27, 25 1 ja 25. So this is the answer. Next part, P. P is 7 upon 23 whole cube multiply 1 upon 23 multiply 7 upon 23 power minus 2. So 7 upon 23 whole cube multiply 1 upon 23 multiply 7 upon 23 power minus 2. Here in these two terms bases are same, 7 upon 23. So we will add these two powers. 7 upon 23 power 3 plus minus 2 multiply this 1 upon 23. Which rule we have applied here? A power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. Now 7 upon 23, 3 minus 2 multiply 1 upon 23. 7 upon 23 power 1 multiply 1 upon 23. 7 upon 23 power 1 means 7 upon 23 multiply 1 upon 23. Then 7 1 is 7, 23 multiply by 23 we get 529. So what is the answer? 7 upon 529. Next part, Q. 16 upon 36 whole cube multiply 4 upon 9 power minus 2 then whole power 3. So we will write here question 16 upon 36. We can simplify it. So first we will simplify it. 4 4 just 16, 4 9 just 36. Power whole cube multiply 4 upon 9 power minus 2 then whole cube. Now it becomes 4 upon 9 power whole cube multiply 4 upon 9 power minus 2 then whole cube. Now see, both the bases are same, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, and in between these two terms there is multiply sign, so we will add this power and this power. So 4 upon 9 power 3 plus minus 2 then whole cube 3. We have applied here again same rule, product law, a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. Now 4 upon 9, 3 minus 2 power 1 then again whole power 3. Now 4 upon 9 multiply 1 multiply 3. We will multiply these two powers. See, a power m whole power n is equal a power mn. So 4 upon 9 power 1 multiply 3 is equal 4 upon 9 power 3. So we will multiply this 4 upon 9 3 times. 4 upon 9 multiply 4 upon 9 multiply 4 upon 9 is equal 4 4 just 16, 16 4 just 64, 9 9 just 81, 81 9 just 729. So what is the answer? Answer is 64 upon 729. Next part, R. 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 then whole power minus 2. So this 2 power minus 1 will be written as 1 upon 2 plus 3 power minus 1 will be written as 1 upon 3 again whole power minus 2. Which rule is applied? Which law is applied here? A power minus 1 is equal 1 upon a. Now we will solve this 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Divide this 6 by this 2. 2 3 ja 6. Then 3 multiply this 1. 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 2 ja 6. Then 2 multiply by 1. 2 1 ja 2. Whole power minus 2. 3 plus 2 5 upon 6 power minus 2. Now this power is negative. So we will convert it into positive power. So we will write reciprocal of this base 5 upon 6. It will become 6 upon 5 then whole power 2. Now it is positive. 6 power 5 whole power 2. 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5 whole power 2 means we will multiply this 6 upon 5 2 times. So 6 6 is 36 upon 2 5 5 is 25. It is an improper fraction. Improper. What is an improper fraction? In an improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Now we will divide this 36 by 25 and we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing. Next part is S. Minus 9 power 0 minus 9 power minus 1 plus 9 whole power 0. So minus 9 power 0 minus 9 power minus 1 plus 9 whole power 0. As you know, a power 0 is equal 1. If exponent is 0, whatever is base, no matter. So minus 9 power 0 value is 1. Then this minus here, again this is the base and power is 0. Again its value is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Same example 9. On page number 78. You can go through this example also. Next, T part. T is 3 upon 8 power minus 1 minus 4 upon 6 power minus 1. Again we will apply the law a power minus 1 is equal 1 upon a. So this 3 is here. 8 power minus 1 is equal 1 upon 8. Minus 4 here. 6 power minus 1 is equal 1 upon 6. Now when we simplify it, this 3 multiply this 8 minus 4 multiply by 6. 3 8 are 24 minus 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 24 0. You can go through example N on page 78 and example K on page 77. Okay. Now next part is U. In U part, minus 7 upon 9 power minus 1, then again whole power minus 1, and then again whole power 2. There are 3 powers. See, 1 2 3. So what we will do in this case, same, it is the question is equal. We will multiply all these 3 powers. We will write it minus 7 upon 8 power minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply by 2. Which law we applied? A power m whole power n is equal a power mn. We multiplied both the powers. Here there are 3 powers, single base, so we will multiply all these 3 powers. Minus 1 multiply minus 1, it will become plus 1. Plus 1 multiply 2, it is equal 2. So it will become minus 7 upon 8 whole power 2 minus 7 upon 8 multiply minus 7 upon 8. It is equal 7 7 ja 49. Minus minus plus upon 8 8 ja 64. So answer is 49 upon 64. Next part, V part. 6 power minus 1 plus 6 upon 5 power minus 1 whole power 2. Now this 6 power minus 1 plus 6 upon 5 power minus 1 again whole power 2. This 6 power minus 1 will be written as 1 upon 6. As we know, a power minus 1 is equal 1 upon a. Then this plus here, this is 6 upon 5 power minus 1. Here this power exponent is negative form. We will convert it into positive by writing the reciprocal of this base. 6 upon 5 will become 5 upon 6 power 1. 5 upon 6 power 1 means 5 upon 6. Then whole power 2. This is 2. Then both the denominators are same. So LCM will be 6. 6 1 ja 6. 1 1 ja 1 plus 6 1 ja 6. 1 5 ja 5. Whole power 2. 1 plus 5 6. 6 upon 6. Whole power 2. 6 1 ja 6. 6 1 ja 6. It means 1 square. 1 square means 1. Next, W. 4 power n plus 1 minus 3 multiply 4 power n upon 4 power n minus 4 power n minus 1. See, 4 power n plus 1. It can be written as 4 power n multiply 4 power 1 minus 3 multiply 4 power n as it is written, 4 power n as it is written, 4 power n minus 1 as it is written. From here in numerator we can take common this 4 power n. So what is left? 4 power 1 minus 3. From here also we can write 4 power n as common. Then here 1 left minus 4 power minus 1 left. Taking 4 power n as common here in this step. Now this it is as example O on page 78. Again this is an example. So now what we will do, 4 power n, see 4 power n and 4 power n cancel. What is left? 4 power 1. 4 power 1 means 4 minus 3 upon 1. This one minus 4 power 1 means 1 upon 4. 4 power 4 minus 3 is equal 1. Then this 1 will be taken as 1 upon 1. So LCM of this 1 and 4, 4. 1 4 ja 4. Then 4 1 ja 4. Minus 4 1 ja 4. 1 1 ja 1. Now this 1 upon 4 minus 1, 3 upon 4. Then this 1 upon means divided. 1 divided by this 3 upon 4. 1 change this divide to multiply and write the reciprocal of this 3 upon 4. It will become 4 upon 3. So 1 multiply 4 upon 3 is equal 4 1 ja 4 upon 3. Again it is an improper fraction. We will change it into mixed number by dividing this 4 by 3. Students, this question is different from all above. So go through this question 2 or 3 times and read its example O also on page 78 at least 2 or 3 times. Then you will be able to understand it. Now next question, question number 2. Find the value of n in the following. Its A part is 11 power n multiply 11 power 2 is equal 11 power 9. See, this is 11 power 11 power n multiply 11 power 2. So we will add these powers. It will be written as 11 power n plus 2. As we have used a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. So 11 power n plus 2 is equal 11 power 9. Now bases are same on both the sides. If these bases are same on both the sides, then power will be equal. So we can write n plus 2 is equal this 9, then n is equal this 9 minus this 2, n is equal 7. It is a simple question. Next part, B part C. In B part, 14 power 2n multiply 14 power 1 minus n is equal 14 power 5. So again both the bases are same and there is multiply sign. We will again use a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. So 14 power 2n plus 1 minus n is equal 14 power 5. 14 power 2n minus n, it will become n plus 1 is equal 14 power 5. Again both the side bases are same, so powers will be equal. N plus 1 is equal 5, n is equal 5 minus 1, n is equal 4. Next C part, 4 power 2n multiply 4 power n is equal 2 power 12. See here, both side bases are not equal, so first we will change into equal bases. This 4 can be written as 2 power 2, then this power 2n multiply. Again this 4 can be written as 2 power 2, this power n equal 2 power 12. Now 2 power 2 multiply 2n multiply 2 power 2 multiply n is equal 2 power 12. Then 2 power 2 2 ja 4n multiply 2 power 2n is equal 2 power 12. Then again both the bases are same, here base is 2, here also 2, so we will write 2 power 4n plus 2n is equal 2 power 12. Again we have used a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. Now it will become 2 power 6n is equal 2 power 12. Then again both the bases are same, both side bases are same, so 6n is equal 12, then n is equal 12 upon 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. I think up to here all the sums would be clear. If you have any problem or any difficulty at any step, you can ask in the class group. Okay students.